Hi there, my name is Ewan and I work for Able. So today we're just going to go through a quick rundown of the program Solflare, the platform. This is the platform that we use to trade Solana coins, meme coins, shit coins, whatever you want to call them. Some have utility, so I guess they're not. But this is where the Solana network, we do the bulk of the trades. So essentially, you go solflare.com, link in the description for iOS, Google Play, and the general website for desktop downloads. When you download it on your PC, you'll get taken to the Chrome Web Store where you'll add the Solflare extension. From there, it will open up a new tab or you can, of course, open it manually there, and it'll open up Solflare. Creating a wallet, very, very easy. You just save your recovery code. It'll give you 24 numbers, 12 words, sorry. You just copy them and you create a password, and that's it. And you'll be brought to this screen. So once you're on this screen, here you can see your main wallet. So if we click receive, this is our wallet address, our QR code. So what you're going to want to do with this is your deposit address for Solana. So whether you buy your crypto on your Revolut, your Coinbase, whatever platform exchange you use to buy your Solana, this is where you send it to. This is where you're going to be able to convert your Solana crypto into Solana coins and different coins across the network. So very simple. Everyone will have Solana as a base, and once you click on it, you can obviously see the chart. We can do our technical analysis on here, change it to a candle chart. We can see our info, our account, everything, our wallet. So to swap, simply on the right, you can see Solana. We can adjust the amount we want to swap, and you can swap it to whatever you want. So if you want to be a top G and get some Daddy Tate coin, you can just do that very simply and swap. Similarly, you can buy Solana through here, but you'll need to verify yourself, and you can also send your Solana to external wallets. Solflare as a platform has more to offer. So, for example, you can have NFTs, Solana NFTs on here. You can stake your Solana, and yeah, it's just a Solana exchange website program effectively where you can trade Solana meme coins. So if you ever see signals or anything like that based on the Solana network for crypto, this is probably the platform we're going to be using. So anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.